Another problem with the Ford Mustang Mach E, and I highly suggest all of you check your vehicles, and one of my main reasons against getting an AV right now is the high cost of every single little part. Len says here, heads up folks, we have a 2021 Mach E, and if you move the floor of the trunk, which I'll show you a picture of, if you make that level, there are some plastic brackets there. We placed a couple of heavier items on it, and one of the plastic brackets failed. Ford won't warranty it or repair it, and the replacement bracket is an exceeding $800, plus requires a replacement of the entire interior quarter, and the part is on the extended back order list. Has anyone else had this problem? Just giving you a heads up so you don't experience the same issue. Reading some comments here, a lot of people are saying, sorry, that's horrible. This person, Michael, says it happened to them a few weeks ago, haven't taken it in, just the passenger side, and they said they only had suitcases on it. And it's suggesting for everyone to get a count of everyone and all of them that have failed between all the people here. Here's another one from Dave saying, yup, happened to me a couple months ago. This guy is suggesting to use plastic weld and some sort of epoxy, but you really shouldn't have to be dealing with that at all. Pamela here says, one of mine broke, but Ford completely covered it, no problem. In fact, replaced both sides. There's one of two problems here, is that Len got a different answer than someone else and actually got it repaired, and supposedly it's not covered under the warranty and they're not doing anything for Len. So what's the difference there? Why do they replace it for one person and not the other? That doesn't seem very fair. Plus, it does seem like a slight design flaw if all of these are breaking. And here you're going to see the brackets on the side. There's one here sticking out a little bit, and there's one here sticking out a little bit. So people are saying that these are actually breaking off on people. You know, I definitely suggest checking your Mach E, seeing if you do have those, and just being cautious and careful of these plastic brackets. You know, one thing I do want to state is that I did travel in the Ford Mustang Mach E from New York all the way to Big Bend, to California, to Colorado, and back to New York. I slept in this vehicle, laid in the back of this vehicle every single night, and I never broke any of these. Just wanted to post this update, this another little nick, another little flaw in the Ford Mustang Mach E design that Ford could definitely improve upon. If you guys enjoyed this video, please hit like and subscribe for future content.